Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. So first things first, let's bring our video clip onto our timeline and let's go to the section what we want to freeze frame on. So let's say I want to freeze frame here. You'd bring the playhead to that section, press onto the video clip itself, and across the middle here you'll see all these different buttons, and you want this one here, which is the freeze frame button. You'd simply press that, and that proportion of the video will have its frame frozen, as you can see. Now what you can do is you can highlight that freeze frame and make it much bigger or much smaller, depending on what your needs are. So that's how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.